Psalm, chapter 5, verses 2 to 9. Prayer for divine help. Hear my words, O Lord, listen to my sighing. Hear my cry for help, my King, my God. To you I pray, O Lord. At dawn, you will hear my cry. At dawn, I will plead before you and wait. You are not a God, who delights in evil. No wicked person finds refuge with you. The arrogant cannot stand before you. You hate all who do evil. You destroy all who speak falsely. Murderers and deceivers, the Lord abhors. But I can enter your house, because of your great love. I can worship in your holy temple, because of my reverence for you, Lord. Guide me in your justice, because of my foes. Make straight your way before me. Psalm chapter 5, verses 10 to 13. For there is no sincerity in their mouths, their hearts are corrupt. Their throats are open graves, or their tongues are subtle lies. Declare them guilty, God, make them fall from their own devices. Drive them out for their many sins, they have rebelled against you. Then, all who take refuge in you, will be glad, and forever shout for joy. Protect them, that you may be the joy of those who love your name. For you, Lord, bless the just. You surround them with favor, like a shield.